Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, yes, the last day of the month, Tuesday, May the 31st, 2022. We have here in this additional 9 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 4 stars. We have a tectonic with 1 star. Then we have a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, and 2 binaries. Binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So only half of them I will solve, and those puzzles I will do will be Sudoku with 3 stars, with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, the killer Sudoku, and a binary puzzle. So 5 puzzles, extra puzzles I will do. Include the regular puzzle, it will be 6 for today, so a lot of puzzles for today. Anyway, let me continue with the 3 stars puzzle. This will be number 4628, I believe. Yeah, 28. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 printed digits. 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, if it's really a 3 stars. We will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only 1. We have here only 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 threes. We have here 3 fours, 3 fives, 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens. All right. 1, 2, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the 6 and the 7s are in majority. So let me start with those numbers. We have a 7 in the last row, the 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so no row below. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 in this box. Here 7 in the second row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. How about the 6 then? Let me see. I have 4 6s. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6 in this row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Alright, We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. Well, we have a 6 in the second row. In one of those 2 boxes, we have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Let me see. Now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait for more information. Alright, so let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, we have a pair. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. So 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have 2 missing numbers now in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 in this box. The 3 should be there and the 5 it goes there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5 is missing. We need a 5 in the third row. Here cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 in the middle column. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We see there 5 in the second column. So no 5 in this box. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Yeah, 1 and a 2. Okay. Wait. 6. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3 in this column. So no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 3. I'm thinking. 4. 4. No. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 5 missing numbers. Interesting. We have a 6 there. 6. No. 1, 9, 2. Yeah. Still thinking. 2. 1, 2. And 4. No. Come on, it's taking too long. What is the next step? 1 and a 2. Okay, 6, 5, 7. This should be also 1 or a 2. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So in the first row, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in the third row for number 1. We have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay, I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait for more information. How about 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers in the last column are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. The 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. Okay, then 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in the first row? We have a 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 4, 4. Okay, then 5, 5, 3, 9 and a 5. 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in this box. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 9 and the 5 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But this box, 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Okay, so we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column. I remember the number 5 is missing. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. And look, wait, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, and look, we have a 1 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 1 and 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Alright, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3. Okay. Do we have all the ones? Let me count. And all the ones. No, we need a 1 here in this big square. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. Okay. We have a 9 in this row. The 9 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the Nines are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. All right. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and 8. Let me see, 4 and a 6. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 6, it goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in that column, now only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 6. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore, that box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in this box. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes, 17 minutes. Is this a 3 stars? Well, no. Is this a 2 stars? Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars, because for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 17 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 4 puzzles. The next one will be a 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.